You're in the park with Sean, and today we're going to read one of my favorite books, Not a Stick, by Antionette Portis. Let's check it out. Hey, be careful with that stick. What's he doing? It's not a stick. Oh, he's fishing. Look where you're going with that stick. What do you think the stick is now? Ah, did you guess that? What stick? Watch where you point that stick. Make some guesses. Let me see what it is. I think I'm gonna peek. Oh, now I know. I know. I'm not telling though. This is not a stick. Right. Now what are you doing with that stick? What do you think? Can you make a guess? It's not a stick. Don't trip on that stick. All right, you know it's not a stick. What is it? Let's see. Were you right? I'm telling you, it's not a stick. So, still standing around with that stick? This is not a stick. Okay then, what is it? It's my not a stick. The end. So, your park has been supplied with all the sticks that you could ever want and as many not a sticks. So the only rule is don't pull it off of a living tree because they're not done with it. They're still using it. And then find your not a stick and find out what it is. Thanks.